Today we are going to start quadratic equation. Quad means square because variable gets squared like x square. Standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are known values and a and b are called coefficient of x square and x respectively, and a cannot be 0. X is called the variable or unknown. Now we will derive the quadratic formula. So the equation is x square plus bx plus c by completing the method of square. So divide the quadratic equation ax square plus bx square plus ca is equal to 0 by a. Now ax square plus bx plus c divided by a is equal to 0. Now this implies x square plus b by ax plus c by a is equal to 0. Now taking the constant term to the right hand side. So x square plus b by ax plus minus c by a. Now we add both the sides b by 2a whole square so that we get the equation like this: x square plus b by x plus b by 2a whole square. So both sides we added b by 2a whole square. So we want to convert this into a plus b whole square, because a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square form. So this becomes x plus b by 2 whole square is equal to, the right hand side is as it is. Now taking the square root, we get plus or minus under root minus c by a plus b by 2a whole square. Now x is equal to minus b by 2a plus or minus, here we take the LCM. So LCM of these two fractions is 4a square, right? Now x is equal to minus b by 2a plus or minus under root, so we get minus 4ac plus b square divided by 4a square. Now taking out 4a square from the square root, we get 2a. Now the denominators are same, so we add the numerators. So we get x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2. So by substituting the coefficients of the quadratic equation, we get the solution. In this case, the plus or minus sign shows that there are two solutions of the quadratic equation x and y. That's all.